Welcome to our review of City Point Beach and Spa, a luxurious resort in Altinkum, Turkey. This hotel offers a perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication, making it an ideal choice for travelers seeking a memorable getaway. The rooms are elegantly designed, featuring modern amenities and stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Guests can indulge in a variety of dining options, from international cuisine to local Turkish dishes, all prepared by expert chefs. The hotel's private beach is a highlight, providing a serene and relaxing atmosphere. The crystal clear waters and soft sand make it a perfect spot for sunbathing and swimming. For those looking for more activity, the hotel offers a range of water sports and a state-of-the-art fitness center. The spa is a must-visit, offering a range of treatments to rejuvenate your body and mind. The friendly and attentive staff ensure a memorable stay, catering to your every need. Overall, City Point Beach and Spa is a top choice for travelers seeking a luxurious and relaxing vacation in Altinkum. Book your stay today and experience the best of Turkish hospitality.